other side, ladies and gentlemen, the ongoing obsession with slandering Sanatan is reaching new heights. Lord Ram, a towering figure of cultural and spiritual significance in India, is cherished by people from all walks of life. He embodies moral integrity and the essence of an ideal ruler. Ram Rajya is what people across centuries have always strived to provide. After 500 years of relentless struggle and tears, the magnificent Ram temple in Ayodhya stands tall as a testament to this legacy. Yet it seems there are still those who are determined to sow division over the concept of Sabke Ram. Take Karnataka Minister H.C. Mahadevappa. Naam Mahadev, baat sun lijiye. For example, he boldly proclaims there are not one but two Rams. He argues for a stark separation between the virtuous and the steadfast Sri Ram depicted by sage Valmiki and the revered Lord Ram of the Ayodhya temple. What's truly shocking, however, is a swift attempt to justify this outrageous claim in the face of public outrage. Listen in.
Rama is a creator of ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿಯವರು ರಾಮನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತರು. ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಯ ರಾಮನೇ ಬೇರೆ, ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿಯ ರಾಮರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ರಾಮರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಲ್ಪನೆನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ರಾಮನ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಪರವಶಗಳೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿಯವರು.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining Tanveer Ahmed, Anand Ranganathan, Pradeep Bhandari is Saeed Asad Abbas. And Tanveer Ahmed, first let me ask you, why is the Congress so allergic to Lord Ram? There was a problem when there was this entire movement to build the Ram temple. There was a problem when the Ram temple was constructed. There was an attempt to slow down the case in the Supreme Court on Ayodhya judgment. Every step of the way. And now this minister in Karnataka comes out and says, Ram hi do hain. Ayodhya ka Ram alag hai, Valmiki ka Ram alag hai. I want to ask you, what is this mindset that makes you somehow condemn Ayodhya and the Ram temple?
नाविका जी, एक राम दशरथ का बेटा, एक राम घट घट बहता, एक राम सगल सवारा, एक जिंदगी में है और अधिकार में है. H.C. Mahadevappa is a very intellectual leader. He is not just another politician who had made a passing remark. You should really hear his total discussion in totality. He was speaking about Ram when he was going to Banwas and Ram when he was doing Pattabhishek
about any other religion.
When the coronation was happening.
I take objection, Tanveer. You are not an expert on Hinduism.
Pradeep, 1 second.
Tanveer bhai, on this I object and I'm sorry I'm interrupting you.
I don't need to be an Hindu.
No, I ask you, will you apply the same principle, will you apply the same context if someone puts a statement against your religion? You will not do so. Someday you call Ram as Prabhu Sri Ram as non-vegetarian. Someday you call Prabhu Sri Ram as Ram. This is your insult to Sanatan. Your alliance partner called Sanatan as dengue, malaria, AIDS. Just because Rahul Gandhi hates Sanatan, he has not visited Prabhu Sri Ram's mandir yet. Navika ji, he has not visited, has not taken darshan in Ayodhya Prabhu Sri Ram's mandir yet. You got a befitting reply in Milkipur, Ayodhya, still you not understanding.
I think I protest. My time needs to be there.
All right.
Don't speak about our religion.
Let him complete his point. I'll come back to you. Tanveer.
Navika, H.C. Mahadevappa was speaking about the Ram which was absolutely the same Ram when he went to Vanvas and when he was coronation. There was absolutely no fear in Ram's face. That was he was speaking about. He was speaking about Valmiki really describes Ram like this, and he said that we need to really bring that Ram Rajya in India. Is there anything wrong? If at all he's saying that we need to have Ram Raja where प्यार सब लोगों को अधिकार सब लोगों का कोई बहिष्कार नहीं होगा, that is the Ram which I want. वो राम मेरे मन में बसते हैं, वो राम आपके मन से जो पाप निकाले राम रावण के भी मन में है. राम तेरे मन में है, राम मेरे मन में है. अगर आप उस राम से दूर भागना चाहते हैं जो मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम थे, जो मेरे राम है, जो प्यार के राम है,
रामायण की कथा अगर करवानी होगी तो वो किसी से जरूर करवा लेंगे. तनवीर अहमद, the question to you was, is it okay always to sow the seeds of hatred against the Ram in the Ayodhya temple, and why is the Congress party time and time again trying to do that, trying to play with the sentiments of millions of Hindus? You don't believe in it, the Congress doesn't believe in it, fine, it's their choice. But millions and crores of Hindus do believe in it. And Anand Ranganathan, is this not just another attempt after calling Ram, he's a mythological figure, he didn't really exist. The Congress has done this several times. Now saying Valmiki ke Ram alag the, Ayodhya ke Ram alag the. Is the interpretation lost on anyone on what they are trying to say?
No, it isn't, Navika. And to be fair, Congress has a history of Hindu phobia. There are, and I have on your show multiple times recounted factual incidents, more than a dozen incidents of rampant Hindu phobia. But this is not that discussion. Today, the discussion is something else. And I'd like to ask a very simple question to Tanveer Bhai. I respect his views on Lord Ram and I adore him for it. But I want to ask him this. Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi have all visited the Mazar of Babur. None of them ever visited the Ram Janmasthan. Tanveer Bhai, can you please tell me why?
Okay, can I take that, please, Navika ji?
No. I'm asking Tanveer Bhai, Abbas Bhai. Unless you are now called Tanveer.
No, Tanveer is responding. I'm coming to you, Abbas.
Sure.
I don't know why they have not visited, but they have to visit.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
Ram is Maryada Purushottam. Ram हमारे हैं, जाना चाहिए.
I don't know why they haven't visited. They should. उनको नहीं पता. ये बताएंगे that they should.
नहीं visit गए. आनंद जी 10 seconds. I'll tell you why he's not visited. Because he knows that Udaynidhi Stalin caused Sanatan dengue, malaria, AIDS. राहुल गांधी के कण में हिंदू नफरत है. This is why 4 generations तक उन्होंने प्रभु श्री राम के मंदिर को बनने नहीं दिया. Tanveer Ahmed ji, you should call Rahul Gandhi and tell him and ask his family why it has not done it. सनातन को जाति में बांटने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं आप.
बिल्कुल. And I'm coming to you, Anand Ranganathan, but first let me get in Abbas. I want to ask you, Saeed Abbas, the question, राम में फर्क, भाई में फर्क, इंसान में फर्क, जाति जनगणना, go to Kumbh. Nobody is asking anybody's jati. All of them are taking the holy dip together over there. Nobody is interested in that jati, except the political parties in the India alliance, which is also now divided because Rahul Gandhi just celebrated the defeat of Arvind Kejriwal. While he says kerosene sab pe छिड़क रहे हैं, he is the one who's also छिड़कोed some kerosene on the Aam Aadmi Party. But, this time and time again to try and create a divide between Ram and Ram, human being and human being, insan and insan. Is this deliberate?
Navika ji, that's a brilliant question. I will answer it. The fact of the matter is, I love Anand Ranganathan's style, but मेरे आनंद भाई बहुत सिलेक्टिव हैं, सिर्फ कांग्रेस की बात करते हैं, बीजेपी की नहीं. Respect it, sir. Now bullet points, hear it. Are you even aware what Jaykumar Gore, who happens to be a member of Legislative Assembly from Maharashtra, what did he say about Lord Sri Ram? Do you know that, Mr. Anand Ranganathan? He said Lord Ram's intention was bad and he could win only with the help of Vibhishan. Later, slip of tongue हो गया, ये हो गया, गलती हो गई, माफ कर दो. Not just that. Sanjay Nishad, UP ally of Bharatiya Janata Party. What did he say? He went on to say that King Dashrath is not even the father of Lord Ram. उसके बारे में नहीं कहते आप. And finally, भाजपा वाले छाती ठोक के कहते हैं, हमने राम को लाया है, हमने राम को लाया है. अरे ना कांग्रेस पार्टी, ना भाजपा, ना किसी में दम नहीं कि मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम को लाए हैं. इस देश के 120 करोड़ लोगों ने लाया है और हम मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम को सलाम करते हैं, इमाम हिंद मानते हैं. आनंद भाई,
आनंद रंगनाथन,
बोलिए ना.
शॉर्ट ऑफ
टाइम,
अब्बास भाई. आनंद रंगनाथन रिस्पॉन्ड.
नहीं, देखिए, अब्बास भाई इज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. ही नोज फॉर years if anybody has criticized the BJP for not acting for Hindus' interests, it is I. And it is not a question of, I don't know whether Abbas would remember, that I am the first one to have said that the person who castigated or claimed that RSS were behind the 26/11 attacks is right now in the BJP. Who was the first person who disclosed this? It was I. Who was the person who disclosed that the guy who coined saffron terror was actually made a minister by the BJP? So please don't say that. That is superfluous to the argument we are having. The question was very simple. Does Congress have a history of Hinduphobia? Yes or no? We are talking about Congress. We are not talking about BJP. Yes.
No,
and
we
finally,
need to talk
10
about
seconds.
Both, Anand bhai. We need to talk about both.
Short of time, Abbas bhai.
When has Rahul Gandhi visited Prabhu Shri Ram's Mandir? Can Sayyed tell that? Can Sayyid tell that? When has Rahul Gandhi visited Prabhu Shri Ram's Mandir in Ayodhya? Batao.
I will answer that.
No, you
I
tell
will
me the
answer that.
date,
Okay.
time.
Akhilesh,
but that's
बाबर की
not.
बाजार पे तो कितनी बार गए हो?
I will answer that. देखिए, now let me tell you, I know at least 100 people who are visiting there.
अरे
Some
ये
of
नहीं
my
बताओ,
dear
100
friends
नहीं,
are
राहुल
visiting.
गांधी
No,
कौन
let
सी
me tell
तारीख
you.
को विजिट करे?
Visiting-
सोनिया गांधी जी कौन सी तारीख को विजिट
What
करेगी?
is the allergy? What is the allergy to Ayodhya Ram Temple that the Congress holds in its heart? Well, that they were against it, that the Supreme Court decided it, that the Ram Temple has now been built after 500 years of the Hindu community waiting for it. Now, why create so many divisions between Ram and Ram? वाल्मीकि के राम, अयोध्या के राम, अयोध्या के मंदिर के राम या सिर्फ अयोध्या के राम? मतलब क्या है महादेवप्पा जी? That's the question people are asking the Congress party tonight. And will somebody, if they feel that he has crossed the line, at least wrap him on the knuckles? That doesn't happen in the Congress party. So should we take this as the official view of the Congress party? Well, you, the viewer, be the judge of that. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe.